Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing? Do you want to have a good conversation today? It's Saturday, and both Mommy and Daddy are at work, and Grandma Carol is watching Aiden. We have TV going, and he's just being a happy boy. He's being happy. We did some singing, and then we talked a little bit, and now he's sitting up like a big boy on the couch. Yep, because he's a big boy. He's just growing so much. Look at that big boy. See, hi everybody. Hi everybody. What's going on? Anything else you have to say for yourself today? Is there anything else? Huh? Is there anything else you have to say? Say, I don't know, Grandma. I think you're pretty weird. I think you're pretty weird, and I don't know why you keep putting that thing in my face. But almost every time I see you, I see that thing. I don't know how it works. It doesn't smile back at me. It just seems to have one eye, and it just watches me. Sometimes it's close, sometimes it's far away. And I just don't get it. But overall, I'm a happy kid. Yeah, except for that time when you took me to the doctor last week, and they poked me with some stuff in my leg, and I was not happy about it. I was not happy at all. I got over that pretty quick, but we had a couple of rough nights. But from what I understand, they won't be doing that again for about 2 months. And I'm happy about that, because it doesn't seem to be necessary. You know, if I'm happy, why do they poke me? We'll explain that part later. Here's a profile shot. Oh, here's what I look like from the front. This is the shot you see most frequently. Here's a little smile for you. Oh, and here's what a yawn looks like. I do that when I think I'm getting tired. Yeah. And sometimes I move my hands around because I can. And I kick my feet. See? I kick my feet. I have blue socks on today. Blue socks, yep. Yay, blue socks. Blue socks are so much fun. Do you think they're more comfortable than the other colors? Do ya? Hard to say. Hard to say, isn't it? What are you going to talk about? What do you have to say? Not much, huh? Go ahead. It's your turn. It's your turn. Okay. Is that all? Is that all you have to say for now? Say, okay. Bye, Grandma. Bye, everybody else. I have other things to do now. See you later.